Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Separate understand error code on the content error. Code in Grand Theft Auto typically indicates a problem with the game's installation, files, data integrity, or conflict with the Rockstar Games Launcher social club services. This error often manifests when attempting to launch the game or during the initial loading screens. It suggests that the game client is encountering an issue accessing necessary files or verifying its authenticity, which can stem from corrupted files, incomplete downloads, or interferences from other software. Recognizing this code as a file integrity or service connectivity issue is the first step toward troubleshooting. Step: verify game file integrity. Content: the most common and effective solution for error code that is to verify the integrity of your game files. This process scans your tab installation for any corrupted, missing, or altered files and automatically replaces them with the correct versions. If you own the game on Steam, right-click Grand Theft Auto in your library, go to Properties, Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For users of the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to Settings, Installed Games, Grand Theft Auto, and select Verify Integrity. This crucial step ensures that all core game assets are in their proper state, resolving many underlying causes of the error. Step: update graphics, drivers, and game client content. Outdated graphics, drivers can lead to a myriad of in-game errors, including those related to file rendering and game stability, potentially triggering codes like all that ensure your graphics, card drivers, NVIDIA, and/or Intel are updated to the latest version directly from the manufacturer's official website or through their respective update software. GeForce Experience and Radeon software additionally confirm that both the Rockstar Games Launcher and Grand Theft Auto itself are updated. The launcher usually updates automatically, but manually checking for game updates within the launcher can help rule out client-side version discrepancies.
Step: check firewall antivirus and internet connection content security. Software such as firewalls and antivirus programs can sometimes mistakenly flag legitimate in files or block the game's connection to Rockstar servers, leading to authentication or loading errors. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software to test if they are interfering with if the game launches without the error, add the Rockstar Games Launcher to your security software's exception list. Furthermore, a stable internet connection is vital for social club authentication. Ensure your connection is robust and consider restarting your router to refresh network settings, as intermittent connectivity can also contribute to launch issues.
Step: reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher under the content. If all previous troubleshooting steps fail to resolve error, code that a clean reinstallation of the Rockstar Games Launcher or even tab itself may be necessary. First, install the Rockstar Games Launcher from your system, then download and install the latest version from Rockstar's official website. This ensures the launcher itself is not corrupted. If the error persists, consider performing a complete reinstallation of Grand Theft Auto. While time-consuming, a fresh installation guarantees all game files are pristine and correctly configured, often resolving persistent and complex errors that simpler fixes could not address. Always ensure to back up any local save files if they are not cloud, since the typically handles saves in the cloud.